guys, it's Lex, and today I'm back. A couple inches short of my hair because of the split ends I have, but I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Boom, it's the color series, and boom, it's for my brown-eyed ladies out there. We're adding to the playlist, and we're doing this cute AF, easy pop of color inner corner eye that matches my nails. So it's super easy, honestly not intimidating at all, and I'm gonna walk through and show you guys how to do this look. So I got inspiration for this from my nails. Shout out to Hong Kong. I'm gonna link her Instagram right here. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, she does the best nails on the planet. Literally, like, they're so amazing. But it inspired me to do this cute summer look and to add on to our color playlist. So if you want to see how I created this look, then you know what to do. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep on watching. Alright guys, I zoomed you in real close. I'm going to be using the Morphe Jacklyn Hill palette today, and this is going to be super, like, kind of simple eyeshadow look, even though we're doing like a bold yellowy look. I'm going in with this color right here in a mix of this, and I'm going on a big fluffy blending brush, and it's part of an IT Cosmetics brush. This thing is so old, and I'm tapping off the excess. And I'm using my little palette thing here for my mirror today because I'm by my window. And I'm just going to put it literally like all in my crease first. And then I'm going to blend it up a little bit by my brow bone. But honestly, I just really want a wash of color because we're focusing on the inner corner, but still we want to bring it together. And this is something that's going to be really cute for summer. Very beachy, very bold, but I think you can do it. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do the other eye. Again, this is something I always like to say is that don't feel obligated that you need this palette. Honestly, just get a basic palette of browns and then maybe splurge on the color yellow and, you know, make it work. I mean, that's how I originally got into makeup when I used to watch makeup tutorials, is I just use whatever I have around. So do the thing. So I'm next gonna go into a little bit of a darker brown. It's warm and it's gonna be this. So I use this, and now I'm going into, did I say this one? This one. We're gonna go to this one. And this is a little tapered Luxie brush, and this is a Luxie 231. Tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna go on the outer corner of my eye in the crease. So right here, and then I'm just going back and forth, and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit on my lid to about here, and then go back in my crease, and then I'm gonna take it, the leftover excess product, and bring it in, just down below. Bring it in. But again, just really focusing it right there. And like I said, we're not doing much to the outer corner of the eye, but you want a little bit of that. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do that to the other eye. So from here, I'm gonna go a smidge deeper. And when I mean a smidge, a little bit. So again, on the same tapered brush, I'm gonna go in with this warm brown. This, we were here, now we're using this guy. And I'm talking literally so tiny on your brush. And again, on the outer corner, and I'm gonna do a stamp here, and I'm gonna do a stamp on the other eye. And then I'm just gonna blend it, like just right here, till probably there's like no product left on my brush. And then I'm gonna take the big fluffy blending brush we were using, and I'm gonna go back and forth where I just applied it, and then all in my crease to really just blend all those warm brown shades we just used. So all the warm brown shades are getting nice and blended in your eye. And we literally just used 3 shades on the outer part of our eye. And it's gonna just really give you the sun-kissed feel. Like, I'm really going for the sun-kissed vibe. I used a darker foundation, so don't at me in the comments about me not matching, because I know I haven't literally seen the sun at all, especially in Pittsburgh. It is cold and it's May. But I'm just gonna blend this. And then we only have 2 more steps out of the whole eyeshadowy look to the top part. Bam! So from here, we are gonna keep it super simple, and I'm gonna dip in the Laura-Lee palette, and I'm gonna be using the color Basic and a little bit of Press Pot on a flat brush. And if you have the Morphe palette, I would use one of these top 2 shades, would probably give you the best comparison. I just don't want anything shimmery because we're going bold. And I'm gonna take the color Basic and Press Pot, like I said, mix it on my flat brush, and we're gonna put this on half of our lid. Actually, no, we're just gonna put it on the lid, like so. So I'm gonna start at the inner corner, and I'm gonna kind of pack it on, but also rub it on initially just to get the shape, and then I'm gonna go in and pack it on. Now you're gonna think you're gonna look a little funny, but honestly, this is exactly kind of like the look we're going for, is like your natural eyelid color on the eyelid. And then I'm just, again, just gonna press. And then I'm gonna just do the same thing to the other eye, going on the inner corner, rubbing, and then gently patting the pigment into the eye. And that is exactly what we want, and it's gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? So now I just take that tapered blending brush, or your big blending brush, and I just go in the end and just stamp on any leftover product just to kind of blend that, what we just did. So look, very natural, matte, little smoky moment going on. So this is definitely gotta be my favorite part of the whole entire look, is I'm going in with Laura-Lee's Party Animal palette. Any yellow will do. This is just a really bright yellow that I want to use to match my shirt. And it's like a yellowy green, but more like neon yellow. So I'm gonna be going in with this, and this is like a packy blendy brush. Any brush that really can pack on the pigment. I just really like this because it's fluffy and I can stamp that bad boy on my eyelid, you know? So I'm gonna spray my brush with a little e.l.f. priming water. If you wanna lick the brush, like, I don't give a shit, I ain't gonna judge you. But I'm gonna wet it a little bit, running on tap water, you know, whatever. Go in this color, it's a party, and you can see it's wet. And I'm gonna go in and put it right on the inner corner of my eye. Yes, you have to commit to it, you know what I'm saying? Like, you have to commit to the yellow inner corner. And I don't want to be too intense, so I'm gonna go to about right here on my eye. Oh, look, it matches my nail, you already know. And just tap it on there. And you're gonna see the color is a bit muted, but that is okay. That's how you want it to start with, is it being a little muted, so you have a little more control with where you're putting the pigment. I'm also gonna go a little bit underneath to about right here with the yellow. So then your brush is most likely dry at this point. And hold on, I got a little crusty, just trying to escape. I'm gonna take a little bit more, and I'm gonna just pack it on the most inner corner part, so it looks a little bit more blended and cohesive. So again, just the innermost part of my eye. I'm just gonna pack on a little bit more of this yellowy pigment. Now you can go as crazy or as not crazy as you want, but like honestly, if you keep this all muted, it looks really cool, and it's just a little bit of pop of color other than the generic, oh, I'm gonna put a little purple under my eye, that you can do, and this will really impress people, especially like for the summer. Like this is just something like fun to try, and I promise, like once we finish the whole entire eye look, like you'll be like, wow, this doesn't look crazy at all. But like right now it looks a little psycho, but we're gonna add a little bit more of this yellow, and all will be well, except if you have eye crusties. Always check your eye crusties, guys. And here we go. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is winging out my eyeliner, and I feel like that's really essential for this eye look. I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I really like this, and I'm gonna do my winged eyeliner. We're gonna do a little dramatic, you know what I mean? Because we don't really have that much going on besides this color. And like, you might try this at home and be like, or you might see this and you're probably like, yo, I don't know, Lex, like that's really not me. But like, I ain't asking you to put blue and pink and yellow on your eye, which I have done. Look, if you like see this picture right there, I'm gonna put, I'm not asking you to do that, you know what I'm saying? You can do color and you can make it bold and you can make it look good. The thing is makeup knows when you're scared. So as long as you commit to it, you should be a-okay. So I'm just gonna line this, do it bold. I line my eyes a different way every time, but yeah. Gonna line my eye. Alright guys, so I just winged out my eyeliner, threw on a pair of these eye lower lashes, which I will put a picture of what style they are, and I got them from Walmart in a 3-pack, and honestly they are so nice. Like, look at those, and it honestly just takes the look to a whole new level, especially as soon as you put on the eyeliner. So you can see, like, it looks good. It looks like you did I hate when that happens. I literally hate when that happens. It's an easy, achievable look and a good way to add some color into your summer. So now let's finish up the look. You know what I'm saying? Small little tapered brush again, and I'm going to take the color we first began with again, so this color right here, and I'm just gonna take that underneath my eye, and that's the only eyeshadow we're gonna take underneath. So tapping off the excess, I'm literally just gonna bring it underneath where it meets the yellow, and I don't want a lot underneath my eye just because we have a lot going on. So I'm just, again, just taking that color we first started with, I'm putting on my underneath my eye, blending it out with a small brush. Any brush, just to get it under there. And to get it kind of cohesive and blending with this eyeshadow we have right by our winged eyeliner. So, do a little swipey and blend it outward. And I'm going to add a little bit of mascara underneath my lower lash line, and then, like, we're done. We're done with the look. It was that simple, I promise. Alright guys, here's the finished product with the mascara done on my lower lash line, and honestly I'm obsessed with this, and it matches my nails exactly, which I kind of like was going for with this inspiration. And honestly, it's such an easy way to start in color, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you can see that honestly dabbing into color is not scary at all. So as always, if you liked the video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Comment down below what color you want me to do next, because I'm all in the colors for the summer, you know what I'm saying? Be bold, be brash. Use a color, you know, that's all I'm saying. But as always, I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure you subscribe for the giveaway, you know? Okay, ciao, ciao.